Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a really yummy, flavorful recipe. It's called one pot chicken. Why one pot chicken you say? Because everything is going to be cooked in one pot. So let's get started. So in a bowl, I've taken 750 grams of chicken, that is with bones. To that I will be adding quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, quarter teaspoon of pepper. You can also add any other spices that you would like according to your choice. These are the spices that I usually like for my marination. So I'm also adding 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and half a cup of really creamy thick curd. And some salt for flavoring. Give this all a really good mix. Mix this really well until the chicken is completely coated in all the spices. And I would suggest that you marinate this and leave it in the fridge for about 12 to 13 hours. Overnight is better, because this really helps the chicken to bring out all the flavors. You'll thank me later for this. So the marination is ready and all set to be put in the fridge. So the chicken has been sitting in the fridge for about 12 to 13 hours now. So I've taken a pan, and in that I'm adding some onion, one medium-sized onion. So I'll fry this onion until it turns golden brown. Once the onion is fried, remove it from the pan onto a plate. Add some button mushrooms, 200 grams of button mushrooms. I'm using button mushrooms because these are easily available in my supermarket. You can use any other mushrooms that you like. So cook these mushrooms for about 10 to 12 minutes. Don't forget to add salt for flavoring and some pepper too. Fry them until they turn nice and brown. Mushrooms tend to release their own water, so make sure the water is completely dried out before you take them out of the pot. I will be moving on to our next step, and that is I'm using one medium-sized potato which is diced. I'm going to just cook them like halfway through, because these are going to be cooked again with the chicken. So around 5 minutes should be good. So once it's 5 minutes, you can take out the potatoes from the pot as well. Now add some olive oil before you add the chicken. Let it heat up for half a minute. Now it's time to add that amazing marinated chicken. There goes the chicken. My kitchen right now is really smelling nice with all the spices that's been marinating for 12 hours. Amazing. So cook this for about 5 minutes before you add the potatoes. Give that a good stir and add half a cup of hot water to this, just to help the potatoes and the chicken to cook. Close the lid and let the chicken cook for 20 minutes until all the water is dried up. Now it's time to add the fried onion and mushroom and cook this really well for another 5 minutes. And your one pot chicken is ready. Serve this hot with some chapatis or rotis. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. And one more thing, please let me know in the comment section below what would you like to see me cook in my next video. Until then, happy cooking and happy eating.